Hey Rec Coaches, in this video we're going to be talking about our first circuit for our tumbling week 1 and week 2 lesson plan. At station number 1, the students are really going to be practicing their handstands, which is so important for all of their floor skills and just gymnastic skills in general. So what they're going to be doing is having their belly facing the wall, practicing their handstands. They can have their hands here and walking their feet up. The more or the closer they get, the harder it's going to be to the wall, trying to keep their heads neutral and in line with their elbows so that their ears are at their elbows just like this. So their heads should not be looking at the floor as they're doing it, but rather the wall. Obviously I'm a little tall right here, but for your students, they should be able to get a little bit closer there. And they're just trying to hold that as long as they can. They can take breaks and try it again with their partner. At station number 2, the students are going to be practicing their cartwheels in between the foam blocks. The higher the tower, sometimes the more challenging it can be because it forces their legs to be completely over their head instead of swiping across the middle. But yeah, we're trying to make sure that they're in that nice lunge position. Their hands are going right in front and in line with their front foot instead of reaching over to one side. And then they can do their cartwheel through the blocks. I don't know if I'll be able to make it, but they'll be able to try to finish it over there. Station number 3, we're going to be doing our forward rolls, but more specifically one touch forward rolls. And by one touch, we mean with our hands. So our hands will start by hitting the floor here, but we don't want to keep them there to help us on our way up. We want to have one solid hands here over top and be able to stand up with our arms up just like that. So that's the main goal with this station over here. If they can do it without the panel mat, even better. They can do it right on the blue floor, that's fine. And finally, at station number 4, we're going to be practicing our backward rolls down the wedge mat over here. This could be our spotted station over here, which is why I placed it on the outskirts, so you guys can see what's going on with the whole entire class as you're spotting this skill. And the students are going to be starting here, sitting down to their butts, getting their hands in that pizza hand position, and making sure they push up to their feet just like that. Backward extension rolls or backward rolls to push-up positions are a great way to make this one more challenging as well.